Tnad Mining and Geology ka Sarkar Jilla kala ay jingmynjur kinong khaïi ban khaïi dewïong ubamdena ka Jilla Meghalaya sha Bangladesh ka jingtho hakakat pratring ukalaling kod arhajar arpoar na u anders ketri tnad sha Director of Mineral Resources Meghalaya Shillong halor ka teka pangla ong bala bata ban pinpa ka jingmynjur ka sarkar ban ay jingmet yu chanmi ki lamin Karmal ki Shillong ban khaïi arpohajar metric ton u dewïong ubamdena ka Jilla sha Bangladesh Lingba ka Dauki Land Customs Station, West Janja Hills District, hapo Shibnai, Nadubayo yakani ka jingtho. Haka arpo pratrik ukalaling kod arajara puar, ka jingtho na usketri ka Tnad Mining and Geology, Shao Director Halor Katay, ka juk pangla ongba ajingbit ya u Shedrak Dhar, East Janja Hills, ban khaïi Saupusan Hajar Henriuspa metric ton, Lingba ka Dauki Land Customs Station, hapo Saupusan Sngi. Kawaipat ka jingtho haka henriotrik unopra arhajar arpuway na u join sketri ka Tnad Mining and Geology Show Director halor ka teka ju ka jingtmu la ajingbit yaka rutina di marak bakan khaïi dewïong uba klem don jingtho jingwo lingba ka borsara charagaw bat bagli land custom station sha Bangladesh na benta shibnai bat ka jingtho haka arpun riotrik unai bing arhajar arpuway la pendu no Henry ka kam yakren halor ka kam ti bat khaïi dewïong bean kalaki biang sashi sen bat unong ilam persha haka yung darbar tawan ka Jilla u Dr. Mukul Sangma haka khat santrik ula say da ka video wen pensaki ka jingya shakmat ka kam ti dewïong bean haka Jilla.
Illegal mining is going on. Okay? Even as I say now, I will show you a video clip. Okay? And I'll give it to the government to take cognizance of this developments. This is actual mining happening. Okay. Okay. CM is also in charge of the Mining and Geology department. And CM himself is also in charge of finance. CM himself is also in charge of political department. We can ask him.
Halor ka jingkno Dr. Mukul Sangma na kalyang uba Preston Tinsong simbuat Menteri Rangba ka Jilla ula betha yu nong ilam kalyang persya ban say di kikot kisla ban penshisha ya ka jingkno ula ong bo dewïong ula la ban wan na kano ka Jilla la ban khaïi lingba ka Jilla Meghalaya.
I would like to request the Honorable Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma to produce that documents. Give it to the government. Submit that documents you have to the government and action will be taken accordingly. Because see, the transit pass is there, the transit chalan is always there. Because see, some coal comes from Bhutan, so it has to be routed through either Meghalaya or West Bengal. So some land custom station happens to be located in West Bengal, and some of them here in Meghalaya. It depends on the wishes of the exporters, which route they wanted to take up, which large custom station they wanted to to transit their items. That is very simple. No, it's not possible. I'm telling you, it's not possible because see, you have to pass from Assam. You need to pass because this Bhutan coal is allowed. Then coal from Assam, so it's allowed. Coal from Nagaland is allowed. They can come via Meghalaya. If they want to export through Meghalaya, authorized route, notified by the Government of India, means land custom station, be it Dauki, be it Shela side, be it Ranikor side, be it Garu side, they can do it. Very simple. Any items which is already listed, approved by the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India, leakage of revenue does not arise because you need to go through a proper channel, be it BSF, be it custom station. They need to pass it with all the detailed documents. Okay, so shipment bill has to be signed by the custom office, So let me put a question to you. What do you mean by saying leakage of revenue? Be it the state or be it the central government, it's all the same. Revenue is ultimately shared between the state and the central government. Very simple.
Nakaliang uba la kemen remboy ula ong ba umdon ban kentho halor ki jing betha ktin syakatnat mining and geology ban numbat iki trok ki dewïong lane keli ki wan ai ula ong ba kadi tang ka jing keno bat kamdon jing sakhi yakum kita ki jing betha daga ktin.
I cannot say now because I didn't have that case with me. So I cannot comment on that because it's happened in Assam. During investigation, if at all they say the cooperation of the police, we will do what is to be done. So as of now, I cannot say anything. Allocation is allocation. You already mentioned this allocation, so this allocation is allocation. I cannot comment on that because until I have the truth in hand. See, we are here to govern the state to the best of our ability, and the government itself, we never brush any issue under the carpet. Whatever statement we made, we analyze, and if it is true, we will take action. If it is false, we leave it like that.